Here you can see a coastal reef inhabited by numerous colorful coral fish found in the tropical marine waters of the Indian and Western Pacific Oceans. Although these fish are not commercially important, they are very popular as aquarium fish and are caught in large numbers. Yellowtail tang can grow up to 37 km, but it is usually 10-15 km in aquariums. They mainly feed on filamentous algae films growing on reefs. Sailfin tang can grow to a maximum of 40 km, usually up to 30 km. Like all surgeonfish, it has one sharp spine on each side of the caudal peduncle. They feed on leaf macroalgae, thus their teeth are larger than those of other tangs that feed on filamentous algae. Yellow tang has a maximum size of 20 km. It is primarily a herbivorous species that feeds on filamentous algae and sometimes eats them even from the shells of sea turtles. This is one of the most popular marine aquarium fish, the catching of which had to be limited in many regions due to overfishing, so the cost of an individual is very high. Orange band surgeonfish has a maximum length of 35 km. Solitary fish which sometimes form schools with parrotfish and other surgeonfish species feeding together on detritus and algae growing on the seed. This protects the reefs from excessive algae growth, which allows coral larvae to find a suitable surface to settle on. Blue-ring angelfish grow up to 45 km. Juveniles are distinguished from adults by their blue coloration with white stripes and live in shallow coastal waters with an abundance of filamentous algae, which they feed on. Adults feed on sponges and tunicates, zooplankton, and filamentous algae. They are aggressive towards their own species. One male guards a territory with several females. Azure damselfish is a small reef fish, which grows to a maximum of 7-10 km, usually about 5 km. They feed on plankton and small invertebrates. Cloudy dacilus is a small reef species growing up to 5-9 km. Young fish has white spot on the back. Adults become aggressive during the spawning period and chase small fish. After spawning, males take care of the egg batches laid on the stones, ensuring ventilation and protection. They occasionally breed in an aquarium. Cloudy dacilus feeds on plants, benthic and planktonic invertebrates. Yellowtail dacilus can grow up to 12 km. The color varies from gray to purple. It feeds on small planktonic crustaceans and algae.